Hi guys, today we are going to see about the exporting in international business. Last class itself we have seen about the segmentation process, profit process and the metrics process and selection of the market to determining. Today we are going to see about the exporting of international business. Let me see about the exporting of the international business. In that way, the modern of the international business take place in that. There are different countries in international business they are doing. Before that, we want to collaborate with that international business process. It can be take place of to achieve their process in various categories. In that way, we can see what is the international business, how do we can able to do the business in the foreign countries. Because we want to get permission from the particular government of the international. There are the various countries that we see about in that. These are the when the collaboration have been take place by the country to country. Then can be the government can be achieve their fulfillment of the doing a business in a particular to entering into the college of the place. These are the categories we can be seen in that base. In the process only, there are four categories. First, we see about the step one assessment of the global market opportunities. What is the global market opportunities? We can face the market starting decision any of the take place to understanding the international process and choosing a particular area. We can be able to identify in that. Then can be the people of say stepping in the two process of exporting. In that way, only the second process we can see about the step to organizing of the exporting. In our country, we can do the product in our own way, in a particular quality and production of the quality in a process way. It has been qualified by a particular committee of the selection process. Then can only we can able to the exporting the goods in a particular countries. The process only the checking committee have been take place of the licensing by depending in the particular market. That way we can able to export their goods to the foreign countries. The step 3, the acquiring of the need of the skills and competitiveness. In any business, we can able to know about the competitiveness is a very important process we have been take place. In that way, only the skill and competitive process have been take place. The categories, we can able to see how the fulfillment of the skills and knowledge can be take place in the competitive of the exams. The few occurrence of the skills and competitive have been take place by they achieve the four categories of the skills in the exporting and importing the export strategy and segmentation we want to follow in the international business. In the people of the doing business, they are also following that lot of risk and how to come out from that risk and to achieve a goal of the business. In the proper planning only we can able to identify that. In the process only the take places of the fourth category, the experting of the strategies. To manage the strategies and take a proper decision to fulfillment of the supporting categories to identify the process of take place. That way only the difference has been take place by these categories. In that way, we can see about the export and import business flow chart. These are the different of the export of import flow chart. How to start an import and export of a business in these guys. We want to then move of this process in the flow chart and then obtain and identify the matter code. It can be take place by the museum to exposing the importing of the goods and searching of the opportunities and somehow the can take place by the categories and ranging of the strategies of take place by these competitors. In that way only we can able to achieve the service of this process and to obtain an IBCM codes to get a BCM and increasing of the export their goods into particular countries to achieve their process, and finally we want to fulfill and satisfy the customers needs and wants in exporting also and importing also the business have been take place by these categories only. These all the take place in the international process. Particular flow charts can be given in the process of the piece. Then we have seen about the process of this things. Model of entering the international business, we have to see that direct and indirect exporting and licensing and franchising and contract manufacturing, then talk about it, joint ventures and merging of the acquisition strategy analysis. These are the 8 categories in the international market to move on to the entering into the global business. how to they ready for the direct import and export to achieve the process of the goals. These are the ways to how they can be reach their process to achieve the process of the good in a global way of the goods. These are the process to achieve these categories in the exporting in the international business. Thank you.